welcome. Um, I would first like to just recap what's going on in terms of Mental Health Week, which was the theme being tuning in, and that it means to be aware of what's happening within you, and what's happening in the world around you. And that being present by tuning in has been shown to help build self-awareness, help make effective choices, reduce the impact of worry, and build positive connections. I'm going to run through one, maybe two, depending on our time, activities that I'm quite interested in. I do tend to use these with clients as well. They're pretty useful for everyone. My memory is not fantastic all the time, so I do tend to read a bit of this as well. But a good portion of this does involve sitting somewhere comfortable. There'll be a long period of sitting, breathing, being still, being aware. And this can be quite confronting for some people because we're constantly chasing for something. This is a moment to take pause, tune in, and to be aware of what's going on. We get more out of life that way. Okay. So to start this exercise, I'd like you to place your feet squarely on the ground. Sit up in your chair in a way that is straight but not rigid. Let's first begin by noticing and paying attention that our body is actively sensing the environment. Notice that you can feel yourself sitting in the chair and you can feel your feet on the ground. Now gently close your eyes. I would like you to place your attention at the tip of your nose. And begin to notice the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils. Pay attention to your breathing. Allow yourself to gently be with your breathing, paying attention to the gentle, easy air as it passes in and out. You may also notice the rise and fall of your chest. Be aware of the expansion and contraction. Be your breathing. If you become distracted by your thoughts, take a moment to notice where your thoughts took you. Notice where your mind went. And without judgment, let go and return your attention. If you get distracted 100 times, bring yourself back to your breath. 100. Now, let's just take a few minutes to focus completely on breathing. Get distracted by your thoughts. Notice where your thoughts took you, where your mind went. Without judgment, go turn your attention to breathing. Now, I would like you to turn your full attention to your body, starting with your toes. Scan up your body, following the scan right to the top of your head. Notice the position you are sitting in and the way your body feels in the chair. As you pay attention to your body, I would like you to practice remaining perfectly still, except for the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. You may notice that you have an itch or a desire to move. You may notice some discomfort, but your only task at this time is to notice those desires, discomforts, and itches without any effort. Stay still. Watch as your body and emotions and thoughts ask you to do something, and notice too that you can remain perfectly still despite these requests. Continue to remain still as you notice the different sensations in your body. Be aware that you do not need to react to sensations. You can simply observe them. You can simply watch them come and go. Take a couple of minutes now, still. Noticing the flow of sensations, urges, come and go. Notice your discomforts. Notice your urges to move and allow them to go. Now releasing your attention from stillness, gently focus on just the rise and fall of your breathing. And on your body and how it feels to sit in the chair. Notice the placement of your feet, your arms, your head. Picture what the room will look like, and when you are ready, rejoin the room by opening your eyes. hope that that was a interesting and sometimes scary experience into just how much we do that's quite reactive and impulsive, even small things. It can be quite enlightening to take this information into our experiences day to day and learn to take a moment of stillness, pause, and tune in. Thank you for joining.